Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your BT Trade account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. On your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already done. And on the search bar, click over there and type in BT trade.ro like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for BT Trade login on Google like this and hit enter. But on the first page we can see the login option available over here. Click over there to login. Same over here, just click on the first page, first result, and both are the same page regarding the same login. And there guys, this is how you get into login page and enter your username and your password over here to enter to your BT Trade account. And there guys, this is how you log into your BT Trade account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.